The strong gusts have caused major problems for power companies, with outages to hundreds of homes and businesses.
Carried out of the rubble by SES crews, the 50-year-old man crushed by a collapsing wall at Mittagong in the Southern Highlands. Bricks were sent flying as the wall of the industrial showroom exploded outwards, unable to withstand the high winds buffeting the building.
Police have called work cover.
Have caused major problems for power companies, with outages to hundreds of homes and businesses.
Carried out
Cover to the scene, and they're currently investigating the cause of the collapsed wall.
The man was airlifted to hospital with serious head, chest and limb injuries. Sydney also copped its second day of high winds, reaching 90 kilometres an hour at the airport. Only one runway operational in the gusty conditions. 3 cars were damaged when this tree came down at Marryong. Using a chainsaw, SES crews painstakingly pulled the tree apart branch by branch to remove it. There were more trees brought down in the Blue Mountains, while at Lindfield on Sydney's North Shore, this family home narrowly avoided disaster, a large tree landing in their front yard. Over the past 24 hours, the SES has received 1,280 calls for help across Sydney, the Illawarra, the Hunter and the Blue Mountains. In Sydney, the biggest concern has been falling trees and branches, 278 call-outs. But there have also been roofs and properties damaged across the city. The wind also proving to be a nightmare for power companies. These lines down at Thornlea caused an outage to 900 homes in surrounding suburbs, while there were also interruptions around the St George area.